Welcome back to my channel, babies. This is video number 2. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. Look at them fresh braids. Let's just take a moment to acknowledge that. So, jumping right into this video, this is, of course, in collaboration with My First Wig. You guys know I've been working with them for years now. They actually have a new packaging, and I'm just kind of appreciating it because look at this. And the box was stuffed with so many goodies. I got some headbands and a bunch of other items. So you guys let me know in the comment section below which headband you like best. Is it this nice kind of bandana look? You know, check me out, check me out. Or would it be this more tropical kind of look? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. For me, I'm kind of feeling the bandana a little bit more, but we'll see. So of course, when you go into the box, I have some absorber products. So it is a styling lotion. I have an edge tamer. I also have an edge brush. And then of course, the new and improved headband wig. You guys know My First Wigs always gives you some goodies. So you'll get some clips, bobby pins, all the details on the wig, a wig cap, whether you need it or not. And this is what the hair looks like. So it is a Yaki texture. You guys can see all the wig details will be listed in my description box in terms of length and all that stuff. As soon as you take this out of the packaging, you guys can see it's ready to wear. Has a really nice elastic band adjustable cap with a couple of combs, and then of course the kind of spandex material to go around the wig cap, which is extremely comfortable, and it does have the velcro strap so that you can easily kind of tighten it. So I'm just going to kind of get the hair out the way. You may have already seen a couple of your favorite YouTubers try this unit out already, and you may have noticed that they actually left some leave out. Well, in my situation, I didn't feel the need to do that because it is a protective style, so I want to have all my hair tucked away. If you are working to protect those edges, grow them back out, this is really going to benefit you right now. You're going to want something to just kind of smoothly go over your edges and not damage them because the material is not rubbing or kind of causing any friction along the sides. So yeah, this definitely works. And then with the combination of those headbands, you guys will be in the game, and you guys can see how you can really pull it up into a high ponytail, low ponytail, whatever it is you feel comfortable with. And then the fact that I have my hair braided also helps everything just kind of lay a little bit flatter and smoother. And yeah, the combs, keep in mind I didn't sew this down or anything. It's literally just the wig combs and the adjustable cap. So that's pretty much it. Now, one thing that I did see here is that the ends are a little bit straggly. So this is to kind of keep the unit looking a little bit more natural, which I appreciate. But you guys know towards the end of this, I will chip up those ends just a little bit just to kind of get everything nice and even. So this video was pretty straight to the point. I'm going to go ahead and play a couple of tunes and kind of play with the style just a teensy tiny bit to kind of give you some different look options. Yeah, stay tuned. Yes, so this wig was looking super duper nice and sleek, and like I said, this is the Yaki texture. So unlike some Yaki textures that have that kind of printed weird like crinkle look, this hair did not have that at all. It literally mimicked natural hair and like that blowout and kind of pressed out state, which I appreciated. The color looks really natural, and I'm just throwing some curls in the unit just so that you can kind of see what that looks like, because of course we all want to be able to kind of have that flexibility with curling our units and making sure that the hair is actually going to last in that style. So as you guys can see, this is like curling without an effort. And if you guys are curious about what it is I'm using, it is my 2-inch FHI flat iron, which I believe I got from Marshalls. Either it was Marshalls or TJ Maxx a very long time ago. So it's just kind of been hanging on with me, you guys. You know, nothing too crazy there, but so far so good. The hair was extremely soft. It smelled really good. And like I said, this is really easy to just kind of throw on and go. And I actually wore this wig for about a week straight. So the curls kind of lasted for about 2 to 3 days. Obviously, I was taking off the wig, so that's not anything you have to worry about. And y'all, this was like the ultimate protective style. Voila. So there we are, babies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am loving this freaking hair. So thank you so much, my first wig, for sending me this, of course. Leave any comments or questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.